Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Prunela and I'll be showing you how to create this beautiful bridal look. This video will be especially helpful for brides-to-be who want to do their own makeup. Let's dive into it. As always, I'm using the Milani eyeshadow primer to prime the eyelids first. Using the fluffy brush from the Morphe and Ariel collection, we're going to be using the Morphe Gold Seeker palette for this look. Starting with the shade Sense and Sensibility, we're going to apply that to the crease. Keep blending it as you go. Now using a flatter brush from the collection and going in with the shade Fancy That, we're going to be applying this again into the crease. We're deepening out the shadow here. And back in with the fluffy brush, let's go and blend those two colors together. It should be as seamless as possible. Next, we're going in with the micellar cleansing water to clean up the eyelid using a Q-tip. We want it to be in the shape of our natural crease. That's how your eye should look. Back in with the A29 flat brush, we're going to be using the shade Fancy That again and deepening it out. Now for the fun part, let's go in with the ABH eye primer and we're going to cut the crease. You can use any flat brush that you have. Take your time with this step because you need to be as precise as possible. And now fill in the cut crease. And this is how your eye should look. Now going into the shade Dark Money, using the wing liner brush from Zoeva, we are going to deepen out the crease. This step is very important because it changes the entire look. Back in with the same shade, Dark Money, and a Spectrum A12 brush, let's dab that on the eye. Focus only on the outer corner of the eye in a diagonal line. Now back in with the shade Fancy That, we're going to apply it next to the previous shade. Blend inside and outside to get a seamless blend. For shimmers, let's go in with the shade Pretty Penny and with a smudger brush, let's dab that onto the lid. This will cause a less mess and not have the eyeshadow fly everywhere. Now with the shade Big Splendor, let's do the same technique and apply that on the inner corner of the eye. This is how your eye should look at this stage. Using any concealer that you have, let's clean out the outer V. With the shade Dark Money, let's apply that on the lower lash line first. And with the shade Fancy That, let's complete it on the lower lash line. For a wing liner, I'm going to be using the Inglot AMC eyeliner, and with a wing liner brush, let's create this beautiful wing liner. Take your time again. I'm keeping it as thin as possible because I've got hooded eyes. If I made it too thick, there wouldn't be any space and you wouldn't even see the eyeliner. Bring it into the inner corner too. Your eye should look like this. Now with the Huda Beauty Kohl pencil, let's apply that on the lower waterline. I love this one because it's really pigmented and it's black. And the eye is just looking beautiful. And to finish it all up, let's curl our lashes and apply some mascara. I'm using the Rimmel London Thrill Seeker mascara. Wiggle the wand to make sure you're depositing an equal amount of product on the lashes. This is how your eyelashes will look with mascara. And this is how it looks with lashes on. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, as always, don't forget to thumbs up and leave a comment below. I've listed all the products that I've used in the description box, along with my social media links. I'll see you soon again with a brand new tutorial. Bye guys!